Hello student, today we are going to solve some special question related to quadratic equation, and the question is 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power 1 minus x is equal to 10. Now write the solution. The given equation is 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power 1 minus x is equal to 10. You may write 4 to the power x plus 1 as 4 to the power x into 4 to the power 1 or 4 plus, because you know that a to the power m plus n is written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So use this formula. Similarly, 4 to the power 1 minus x is written as 4 to the power 1 into 4 to the power minus x is equal to 10. Further, it may be written as 4 into 4 to the power x. It is same, no more changes here. Plus 4 to the power 1 means 4, and x to the power, here 4 to the power minus x, it is written as 1 upon 4 to the power x is equal to 10. Since you know that a to the power minus x is written as 1 upon a to the power n, so use this formula. 4 to the power minus x is written as 1 upon 4 to the power x. Now put 4 to the power x equal to y, then equation becomes जो ही आप 4 to the power x y रखते हो तो क्या होता है, देखिए ये y होगा, ये 4 होगा, so it becomes 4y plus 4 upon y, 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 10. Or you may write here 4y plus 4 upon y is equal to 10. Or y taking as LCM, so 4y square plus 4 is equal to 10, or 4y square plus 4 is equal to 10y, or 4y square minus 10y plus 4 equal to 0. Here we see that this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve by using splitting method or using quadratic formula. So apply quadratic formula. So here a is equal to 4, b equal to minus 10, and c equal to 4. And the quadratic formula is for y is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Or y is equal to minus b minus 10 plus minus under root minus 10 whole square minus 4 into a 4 into c 4 again 4 divided by 2a, which is 2 into 4. So we have minus into minus plus 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 4 4 is 16, and 16 to 4 it gives 64 upon 8. Now 100 minus 64 it gives root 36. 10 plus minus root 36 divided by 8 it gives 10 plus minus 6 upon 8. So here y is equal to 10 plus minus 6 divided by 8. Now taking positive sign and negative sign, then we have to find the value of y. Taking positive sign, first of all taking positive sign, प्लस साइन लेते हैं, then y is equal to होगा 10 plus 6 divided by 8, it gives 16 by 8 is equal to 2. This implies y is equal to 2, and further we know that y is equal to 4 to the power x. So here 2, 4 to the power x is equal to 2, और 4 को लिख सकते हो 2 का स्क्वायर फुल पावर x is equal to 2, या 2 का पावर 1, or it may be written as 2 का पावर 2x is equal to 2 का पावर 1. So on comparing, we have 2x is equal to 1, it gives x equal to 1 by 2. So this is our first zeros of the given equation. ध्यान दीजिए एक फॉर्मूला है, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, this implies that m is equal to n. इसी फॉर्मूले का यूज किया गया है. इस तरह से आपने देखा जब ही पॉजिटिव साइन लिया y के लिए तो x की वैल्यू आया 1 by 2. सिमिलरली टेकिंग नेगेटिव साइन, we have y is equal to 10 minus 6 divided by 8, it gives 4 by 8, it gives 1 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2. This implies that 4 to the power x equal to 1 by 2, or this implies that 2 का power 2x is equal to 2 का power minus 1. 1 by 2 written as 2 inverse or 2 का power minus 1. So apply this formula. We have 2x is equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Thus x equal to minus 1 by 2 and x equal to 1 by 2 are the solution of the given equation. Thank you. Solve 2 to the power 2x minus 3 into 2 का power x plus 2 plus 32 is equal to 0. Now write the solution. Given that 2 का power 2x minus 3 into 2 whole to the power x plus 2 and plus 32 equal to 0. 2 to the power 2x, it may be written as 2 to the power x of power 2, because you know that a to the power m into n, it is written as a to the power n to the power n या a to the power n to the whole power m. तो आप इसमें कोई चूज कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रेफरेंस. सो हियर वी मे राइट 2 पे पावर 2x is equal to 2 का पावर x to the whole power 2. So here or 2 का पावर x to the whole power 2 minus 3 into 2 का power x plus 2. We know that a to the power m plus n is written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So in this way 2 का power x into 2 का power 2 and plus 32 equal to 0. Further 2 का power x to the whole power 2 minus 2 का square 4 into 3 gives 12 into 2 का power x plus 32 is equal to 0. Now put 2 to the power x is equal to y, then equation becomes y square minus 12y plus 32 is equal to 0. So this is form of a quadratic equation and you can solve by using splitting method. Here the middle term is 12y, so 1 into 32, 32 and 32 is equal to 8 into 4, 8 plus 4 12 होता है, तो it becomes y square minus 8y minus 4y plus 32 equal to 0. आप चेक कर सकते हो. minus 12y is written as minus 8y minus 4y. From next line y square minus 8y, y is common, so we have y minus 8, and in this expression minus 4y plus 32 minus 4 is common, so again we have y minus 8 equal to 0. This implies that again y minus 8 as a common, it becomes y minus 8 in one bracket into y minus 4 in second bracket. This implies that either y minus 8 equal to 0 or y minus 4 equal to 0. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि it is the product of two factors and we know that either this factor is 0 or this factor is 0. This implies that y is equal to 8 or y is equal to 4. Now here we know that y is equal to 2 का power x, so we have 2 का power x equal to 8 or 2 का power x equal to 4. Further 2 का power x is equal to 8 is written as 2 का power 3 or 4 is written as 2 का power 2. As you know that if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, this implies that m formula equal to 2 solution of the given equation. Thank you. Solve 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power minus x is equal to 10. Now given that 3 to the power x plus 2 plus 3 to the power minus x is equal to 10, or use this formula, a to the power m plus n is written as a to the power m into a to the power n, so we have write 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 2 plus, and also we know that a to the power minus n is written as 1 upon a to the power n. So we have 1 upon 3 to the power x is equal to 10. Now 3 square it gives 9 into 3 to the power x plus 1 upon 3 to the power x is equal to 10. Now put 3 to the power x equal to y, then equation becomes 9y plus 1 upon y is equal to 10, or you may write 9y square plus 1 divided by y is equal to 10. You know that इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, y इसका है, so 1y का एलसीएम y होगा. So after solve we have 9y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 10. Further, by cross multiplication we have 9y square plus 1 is equal to 10y, or 9y square minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is form of quadratic equation, and we can solve by using splitting method or quadratic formula. So here we apply splitting method. Here middle term is minus 10y, and 9 into 1 9, and 9 plus 1 10. So our middle term is splitted by minus 9y minus y plus 1 equal to 0. आप देख सकते हो माइनस 10y को लिख सकते हैं माइनस 9y माइनस y. फर्दर इन दोनों में 9y कॉमन है, तो 9y एज ए कॉमन इट गिव्स y माइनस 1. अगेन यहाँ माइनस 1 कॉमन है, वी हैव माइनस y माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. हियर y माइनस 1 अगेन कॉमन, 9y माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. इन वन ब्रैकेट y माइनस 1 इनटू सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 9y माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ this implies that y minus 1 equal to 0, or 9y minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 1 by 9. This implies, here we know that y is equal to 3 to the power x, so we have 3 to the power x equal to 1, or 3 to the power x is equal to 1 by 9. Now 3 to the power x is equal to 1 is written as 3 to the power 0, or and 1 upon 9 is written as 1 upon 3 ka square, or it may be written as 3 to the power minus 2. Apply this formula, then this implies x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 2. So here we see that x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2 are our solution. You can verify by putting x equal to 0 in this equation, and next by putting x equal to minus 2 in the given equation. So we can say that x equal to 0 or x equal to minus 2 are the required solution of the given equation.